Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Cam. So today we're going to give you a little bit of a progress video just to show you how his hair has been lately. So we're going to go from this fro to this braided do, and we hope that you guys like it. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video if you like it, and please share. So we've switched up our go-to products for a little bit. We're going from the Shea Moisture now to the Cantu Care for Kids line. So this is freshly washed hair right out of the shower, and this is what it looks like after using the Cantu Kids Nourishing Conditioner. So everything here is what we will be using for this hairstyle, plus some JBCO. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth about a dime-sized amount of the curling cream between my hands and use that to apply it to his hair, just so we can keep the moisture in since we did just wash it, and that way we can have better hair to work with while we do the hairstyle. So I've decided to start using a little bit of the Jamaican black castor oil in his hair, just around the sides and the nape area. As you can see, the edges are a lot shorter than the inside of the hair, and that's just because of growth. Kids, they lose hair, gain hair. He was born with a full head of hair and just from sleeping and such, those are the points that get the most friction, so it's normal. So I just want to see if using the JBCO will bring it back quicker or if it won't even make a difference at all. So after massaging in the JBCO into his scalp in the areas that I'm just trying to work on, I'm going to part the hair. The back, like I just said, with the back of his hair being thinner because of not the breakage, but just because of the way the hair is growing right now, I part that section a little bit bigger than the rest of the hair. That way the hair is able to all go into those two parts, and less friction, less breakage, and it doesn't look thin. So make sure to concentrate on the sides and the nape. Just get it all into the part that you're making. You just want to make sure that all the hair is in there properly, that nothing gets tugged on, nothing gets pulled, and make sure it's not too tight. But with these elastics, they're like they don't grab as much, if that makes sense. So like the hair is not going to get caught in it, it's not going to make it too tight, but just pay attention to your specific child's head because you would know best. So as you can see, I'm actually twisting the hair right now because that's how I started off. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do these in twists, they're gonna be so cute, blah blah blah. Then, you know, when you just change your mind and you're like, nope, this isn't it. Yeah, that's what happened. So I did the back two as twists, but then when I got to the next section that you're gonna see, I actually decided to braid it. I liked how it looked better. So I will be taking out the back two sections and making them into braids. It's up to you what you prefer. But with this hairstyle, I've done twists for him before, but with this hairstyle, I just think it looked more masculine with the braids than it did with the twists, and he gets mistaken for a girl enough. So I'm not trying to give people more of a reason to say, oh, your daughter's so cute, or oh my gosh, I love her hair, and then I had to be like, yeah, thank you, his hair is nice, and they're like, oh my gosh, they look so much. Yeah, I get it. So twist or braids, they're up to you, but I decided to go with braids this time around. could always do these with smaller sections. I've actually done that before, and that's when I did them as twists, when they were smaller parts. But this time around I just wanted a easy style, quick, and that's why I went with the bigger parts. I'm trying to do more of a protective style with him now that I'm using the JBCO, so I figured with the bigger parts you're able to keep the hair better. You're able to freshen this style up easier, and it's not as much pulling, not as much parts, not as much elastics in the hair as when it's with a smaller part. So here's a look at the finished hairstyle. Super easy to do, guys, super quick. and it can be done, like I said, in different variations. So I hope you guys enjoy this little update. I hope the style turns out just as great for you guys as it did for us. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and definitely leave us a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or if you've done this style yourself. And we will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.